Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 5027 in Call of Duty Mobile using the latest troubleshooting methods. Let's get into it. First, go to your network settings. The first step is to properly set up your connection. Error 5027 is a network authorization failure, often caused by regional IP restrictions or unstable server connections. Navigate to your device settings and open Apps or App Management. Find Call of Duty Mobile and tap Force Stop to close any background processes. This prepares the app for a clean reconnection and prevents issues from a failed session. Next, use a VPN. To ensure your connection is authorized, switch to a region that matches the game's requirements. Open a VPN application and select a server like the United States or the United Kingdom. This helps route your connection properly and improves stability for gameplay. Next, clear the app cache. This removes temporary files that may contain corrupted data. Go back to the app info screen. Open Storage and Cache, then tap Clear Cache. This ensures a fresh login from the servers and prevents errors caused by corrupted session data. And that's it. I hope this helped and see you in the next one.